wig that I got from UniWigs. Oh my god. Look how long this wig is. Oh my god, it's stunning. Can you imagine if I'm like dressed up, maybe have a little hat on. This one from UniWigs came the perfect color. And I feel like such a goddess. Just so you guys can see for reference how long this hair is. Oh my god.
The hair is really sexy and hair is really bright.
You can see the hairline is super natural.
I'm thinking the wig looks really natural. This was sent to me by UniWigs.
It is a wig by UniWigs.
This is made to look like Kim Kardashian's recent hair.
Oh my god. Stand up here to show you how long she is. There's so much hair to play with here. She's 24 inches of virgin human Remy hair.
I chose the minimum density of the hair just because I naturally have very thin hair. Lots of people prefer way more hair and bigger density. I wanted to opt for more of like a natural look.
She's 150% density, which is pretty much the thickest that you can get, and you can tell when you pick up the roots, like, and you can see just how big, like she's big. What is good?
This wig is high quality Remy virgin human hair. So this is real human hair. You can color it, you can style it, it's not gonna be damaged. This is a super high quality wig.